Now we can discuss one of the important compound of chlorine, that it is HCl, hydrogen chloride. This hydrogen chloride, it is very helpful for bleaching the vegetables and organic matter in the presence of moisture. So, studied that in the chlorine when we discussed that time its bleaching effect. So bleaching effect of this chlorine, it is very much permanent one. So hydrogen chloride, in that chlorine it is included. So it also helps to bleach us the vegetables and organic matter in the presence of moisture. Then Glauber, he prepared this acid in 1648 by the method of heating common salt with concentrated H2SO4. Common salt, is that NaCl. NaCl plus concentrated H2SO4, due to that reaction this HCl it is produced. Then Davy in 1810, he showed that HCl, the hydrogen chloride, is a compound containing hydrogen and chlorine. Okay, then now we can discuss on the preparation. First one, laboratory preparation. For that we are using common salt and H2SO4 as the Glauber did. Yes, NaCl plus H2SO4 in the presence of temperature, that means 420 Kelvin, it results NaHSO4 and HCl. HCl is the needed one. Then this NaHSO4, when we treat with NaCl again you will get Na2SO4 and HCl. So it is able to be prepared hydrochloric acid in this way in the laboratory. Then once this HCl it is formed, any water content if it's there, it is able to be removed by the dehydrating agent concentrated H2SO4. Next one, properties. The colorless pungent smelling gas, it is HCl, and it is easily be liquefied to a colorless liquid because its boiling point it is 189 Kelvin. It freezes to a white crystalline solid. Its freezing point it is 159 Kelvin, and it is extremely soluble in water. You know that HCl in that water we can add. Okay. The addition method we already discussed. Dilution of acids with water. How it is doing and all that we discussed early. So here in this HCl and H2O, it is when it is mixing, that H3O positive plus Cl minus. H3O positive means hydronium ion. When this H3O positive ion concentration or H plus concentration, when it is increases, that time we will said about that it is highly acidic in nature, or it is said to be strong acid in aqueous solution. Here that from the value 10 raised to 7, that means it is a large value. So when the dissociation constant is large, you can say that this hydrochloric acid in water, aqueous solution of HCl, it is said to be highly acidic or strong acidic in character. Yes, so this HCl in H2O, instead of hydrogen chloride, we are using the name is hydrochloric acid solution. HCl alone we are saying hydrogen chloride, and also we are using the name it is hydrochloric acid. How the name comes? Because HCl it is highly soluble in water, that's why hydrogen chloride it is also called by the name hydrochloric acid solution. Okay, next one, this HCl when it reacts with ammonia, it that acid plus base, it results salt. So here NH4Cl it is resulting with the help of white fumes. Then aqua regia, about that you studied. Aqua regia means 3 parts of concentrated HCl and also 1 part. That means 3:1 ratio. HCl 3 part and also HNO3 1 part. When you take that mixture, we are calling it as aqua regia. This aqua regia it is used for dissolving the noble metals like gold and platinum. Yes, the reaction it is given here. HCl, NO3. Okay, HNO3 plus HCl combination here be shown, and also gold. So it results AuCl4 minus NO plus 2H2O, and platinum with the reaction HNO3 and also HCl together here written, and it is changed to PtCl 6 times 2 minus plus 4NO plus 8H2O. So this reaction it is mainly, that means this aqua regia is mainly used for dissolving the metals like gold and platinum. It is said to be the noble metals. Okay, next one, next chemical reaction of this HCl it is, the HCl it is decomposes the salts of weaker acid, Na2CO3, NaHSO3, that Na2SO3. It is said to be weaker salts. So when it reacts with these weaker salts, HCl is a strong acid. When it reacts with weaker salts, that it is able to be decomposed. So carbonate, it is decomposes and to form NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Here also NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Then here NaCl plus H2O plus SO2. Likewise, the product is possible when the hydrochloric acid reacts with weak salts of weak acid. Now we can discuss the last topic of this hydrochloric acid or hydrogen chloride. It is the uses. It is mainly used in the manufacturing of chlorine, ammonium chloride, glucose, etc. Next one, for extracting the glue from bonds and purifying the bond black, this HCl it is used. In the medicinal industry and also as a laboratory agent, this HCl it is an essential one. Okay.